Hey everyone, it's Brittany, your friendly plant-loving internet stranger, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I drilled holes into a couple of planters that did not come with drainage holes, and also a few containers that held candles that I wanted to use as planters. So these are the two planters that I am going to be drilling into today, and I got these at a local plant boutique in my area. I'm also going to be showing you how I drilled a hole into this crescent moon ceramic container, which actually used to hold a candle, and part of the reason why I bought the candle was for this design. So I'm really excited to be able to plant something up in this. And then I also have this large container that previously held a 3-wick candle. To drill these holes, I did use a diamond drill bit. I also used these rubber gardening gloves, which doubled as safety gloves. I just wanted to really make sure I was able to grab on tightly to these containers since they were all pretty fragile, and I was going to be spraying the bottom of them with a little bit of water to get the holes to drill a bit easier with the diamond drill bit. It did take me quite a while to drill all of these holes because I forgot I was supposed to spray water to make the job easier. I had trouble getting this hole started, but once I started to tilt the drill a bit so that the drill bit was hitting the bottom at an angle, it made it much easier and I was able to get the hole through. I used the same concept for drilling this hole too. It did take me quite a while to get the hole started. At this point, I remembered to use a little bit of water, and this made it much easier to drill. As you can see, this hole is a lot cleaner. I think it has a lot to do with the quality of the clay that was used. I actually got this candle from a ceramicist, so I think the clay that was used was just a higher quality than the previous pot you just saw, making it easier to drill into. Of all three of these containers, this glass one was probably the most difficult to drill into, most likely because it is glass, the material is a lot slicker, so it wasn't as easy for the drill to actually catch hold or drill into the material, if that makes sense at all. I did still end up spraying it with a little bit of water to make it easier to drill. I can't say if that helped or not with the glass. It definitely helped with the clay pot, but after a while I was still able to drill the hole in using the same strategy that I'd used for the previous two, which was to basically angle the drill a little bit so that I could create a groove, and then from there drill down a little bit further to create the full circle indentation that eventually turned into the hole. It did take a while to drill all of the holes, but overall I'm really happy with the results. This one was probably the cleanest hole, and I'm pretty sure it was because of the type of clay that was used for this. Let me know in the comments if you've ever drilled any holes in containers for planters, or if you've ever purchased any containers with the purpose of reusing them as planters. Make sure you subscribe for more plant content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.